Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, I am going to show you guys Redmi mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to set ringtone in Redmi mobile. Friends, you want to set ringtone, you want to use Redmi mobile ringtone setting. So friends, now let's see how to use Redmi mobile ringtone setting one by one, step by step. Friends, we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, you know Redmi mobile how to set ringtone and how to use sound and vibration setting. First of all, open your device phone setting. After turn on phone setting, friends, scroll down here. Open your phone sound and vibration setting. After turn on phone sound and vibration setting, friends, you can see this type interface in your Redmi mobile. So friends, in your Redmi mobile, click here ringtone setting. Friends, click here all ringtone setting. You can select your all ringtone sound and you can use it. System ringtone you can use. Friends, there are many ringtone. Which ringtone do you like? You can select ringtone and you can set ringtone in Redmi mobile. Friends, I will set here MI ringtone. So friends, you can see my MI ringtone will set in my Redmi mobile and I can use it. Friends, right side you can increase your ringtone volume and left side you can decrease your ringtone volume. Volume will increase, volume will decrease. And if you click here, so friends, you can use your notification ringtone volume. You can set your notification ringtone sound. And friends, you can use your alarm ringtone also. If you click here, so you can set alarm ringtone. You can change your alarm ringtone sound in your Redmi mobile. Silent mode setting, sound assistant setting, silence mode and silent mode setting you can use in your Redmi mobile. And you want to change ringtone, so friends, again click here, you can select no ringtone sound and you can use. So friends, I will change here. So friends, I will set here MI mixed to ringtone, I will set here. So friends, ringtone sound will change. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends understood how to use Redmi mobile ringtone setting, how to set and change ringtone in Redmi mobile, how to use Redmi mobile notification ringtone setting, alarm ringtone setting. Bye friends.